Let me show you how to make thumbnail like MrBeast. So let's start it. In this video I will tell you some tips and tricks. Go to MrBeast YouTube channel and which thumbnail you like, just copy video link and download it in YTool app. When you download it, then go to ChatGPT and upload it. Then write "give me a prompt of this picture." Write another text without a man. Then copy text and go to ideogram, AI, then paste a text and click on generate. Wait a few seconds. If you don't like the pictures, regenerate it. Click on image which one you like and download it. Then go to ChatGPT and copy another text. Paste it and click on generate. Wait a few seconds. Click on image which one you like and download it. Then go to Photoshop and open new file. Height 1920 and width 1080 and resolution 72. Click on create. Select tunnel image, click Ctrl C and copy it, click Ctrl V and paste it. Place it. Image link in the description, you can download it. Select next image while holding Ctrl and C button. Click Ctrl V and paste it. Place it. Select next image while holding Ctrl and C button, copy it. Click Ctrl V and paste it. Place it. Select next image while holding Ctrl and C button, copy it. Click Ctrl V and paste it. Place it. Select tunnel layer and go to adjustment icon and select curves. And click on clipping mask icon. Follow the process. Select man layer and go to adjustment icon and select curves. And click on clipping mask icon. Follow the process. Select man layer and go to effect and select drop shadow. Follow the process. When you finish, click enter. Create new layer and go to brush tool and select it. Follow the process. Create new layer and go to lasso tool and select it. Create a shape. Then select dark red color and fill it with brush. Select layer and go to effect and select bevel and emboss. Follow the process. When you finish, click enter. Manage opacity and flow, then paint on shape with brush tool. In last, select all layers while holding shift keys, then click on J and E button. Then go to effect and select camera raw filter. Follow the process. When you finish, click enter. Our thumbnail is ready. I hope you like it.